We have come to the first challenge of the course. Here you'll add the remaining products in App Store Connect. Here's a list of products and descriptions. You'll notice that the product IDs have an X in them. Because they must be unique, when completing this challenge, be sure to replace the X with your own custom domain name. You can find all of these in the author notes. And as in the previous episode, don't worry about screenshots, we won't be publishing these. Now pause the video and try it out. How'd that go for you? If you had trouble working on it, feel free to follow along with me. It's a repetitive process, but we won't need to do it again. In the App Store tab, select In-App Purchases underneath the Features heading. Click on the plus sign to create a non-consumable and hit Create. Set the reference name to Crying Owl. And give it a unique product ID, maybe based on the following. Next, set the price to 99 cents. Set the display name to Crying Owl and the description to A Very Sad Owl. Click Save. Next, the Good Job Owl. Hit the plus button, select Non-Consumable, and click Create. Set the reference name to Good Job Owl, and give it a unique version of the matching product ID. Again, set the price to 99 cents. And the display name is the same as the reference name. Its description is an owl that's done a great job. Then click Save. I won't bother showing you the rest of these because it will be the same process for each one. In total, you should have 7 new in-app purchases when you're done. Next, we'll incorporate them into our app.